What if you could snap a photo of your homework and instantly get step-by-step answers, explanations, and even lecture-style notes in seconds? Because that's exactly what Answers AI is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how students are using this AI homework helper in 2026 and whether it actually works as a reliable study tool or not. Answers AI is basically an AI-powered homework assistant and study tool that helps students solve problems quickly by either typing in questions or taking a picture of their homework, then receiving instant AI-generated solutions and explanations across subjects like math, science, and language studies. To get started, you simply open the Answers AI website, mobile app, or Chrome extension, sign in, and upload or snap a picture of your question, and within seconds, the AI tries to break it down step by step so you can understand how to solve it instead of just copying the answer. One of the main features is the Snap and Solve tool because it allows you to take a picture of any homework problem and get an instant explanation, which is especially useful when you're stuck late at night or preparing for exams. Another useful feature is the step-by-step solution system because instead of just giving a final answer, it tries to show the reasoning behind it so you can actually learn the method. The platform also includes lecture mode and follow-up AI chat, which means you can ask additional questions and get more detailed explanations, almost like having a private tutor available anytime. According to user feedback online, one of the biggest advantages of Answers AI is speed because it can solve or explain questions much faster than searching online or reading textbooks. Some students also say it helps them understand difficult topics more quickly, especially when they are revising for exams or trying to catch up on homework. The interface is also described as simple and easy to use, which makes it beginner-friendly even for younger students. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are some serious downsides you should know before relying on it. Many reviews online mention subscription issues, including difficulty canceling plans, unexpected charges, and poor customer support, which has caused a lot of frustration among users. Other complaints include inconsistent answers, features not working properly for some users, and overall reliability issues, meaning it does not always perform as advertised. Some students also feel that while it is useful for quick help, it should not be trusted blindly for important assignments because mistakes can still happen. Overall, though, Answers AI can be a helpful homework assistant when you need fast explanations and step-by-step guidance, especially for simple to medium difficulty problems, but it comes with clear risks around accuracy and subscription management. It's best used as a learning aid rather than a shortcut to avoid studying, and if you decide to try it, make sure you carefully check the free trial and billing settings. If you've used Answers AI before, share your experience in the comments, and if you enjoyed this honest tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and reviews.